Hey everyone, it's your boy Archer, and in today's video tutorial I'm going to talk about how you can purchase crypto directly from your Binance account. And once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So the first thing you want to do is go to wallets. Under wallets, click the P2P option. Once you're in the P2P option, click on buy. Under buy, you select the type of crypto you want to purchase. You have several options: BTC, BUSDT, BNB, ETH, and then you can search for other cryptos within the Binance platform. Now in this example, I'm going to buy USDT. Two things I want you to take note of when purchasing. Number one is you check the success rate of each seller. So Ola J here has 1,927 trades, has done 99.07, but you can see it's not available at the moment. The Jethro has 1,579 and he has 61.92% completion. King's Coin has 66 trades, 100% completion. Now it's really important that you pick people with high completion rate just for the safety of your transaction. Second thing is you take note of the limit. So the Jethro, for instance, is selling between 82,000 to 82,000, so that means you can buy anything from the range of from 0 to 82,000. Let's take another example. AAA has a limit between 250,000 to 533,000, meaning you can't purchase anything less than 250,000. If this is a tedious process, what I usually do and I would recommend is you come to the filter option over here. You click on the amount of Naira you wish to purchase, and in my case I want to purchase 200,000 Naira. Confirm, and then it will bring up a list of people that are selling within the amount you want to buy. So I'm gonna go for Mega Crypto, has 80% completion. Fast Coins has 100% completion, although it's a little bit higher. You can still scroll down for better options. Well, seems like he's the cheapest for now, so I would just simply go with Fast Coins because he has a better completion rate. And then I would select 200. I would type in 200,000 again. So this means with 200,000 I'm going to get 397.06 USDT. Click on buy. Once you've clicked on buy, you're going to see your time remaining to complete the purchase. So I have 14.48 minutes. Click on the payment method for it to populate the account details of the person you're purchasing from. And I'm going to go ahead and send this right away to show you a clear example of how it's done. As you can see, the money was sent to his account. Therefore, once you've confirmed that you've been debited, you go ahead and click transferred or next. Once you've clicked on transferred or next, it will notify the seller that you have sent in the money. Once he confirms the money, he would go ahead and credit your account. So as you can see, the seller has deposited 397.06 USDT to my account. It is also advisable that you rate him positive just to promote his portfolio as well. Now once that is done, that's it. If I go back to my P2P wallet, you would notice that I have $396 in my P2P account. Now once again guys, thank you very much for watching this video. It's your boy Archer. Thank you.